Hi, I'm Eric Soriano with ASPE Chapter 32 here in front of the beautiful Ball Event Center in Olathe, Kansas, with a great group of people that have come out today to experience the 2026 Casey Estimating Academy. How do you guys think it's gone so far today? All right. We got an enthusiastic crowd. Beautiful day here. We got Andrew a patch on the drone over here. So this is a droney. So what else can we do? What else can we talk about? Keep wait. The weather's beautiful. I think it's 50 degrees out. Beautiful. He's